Hey, Junior Engineer. Welcome to experiment number 3 of the Compass Kit. Did you know that pilots use heading directions to know exactly which way to steer their planes? Imagine you had to fly at a 70-degree heading. Which way would you go? Let's dive in and find out.
First, check your kit. It should now have a heading bezel in place with the red side of the needle and your body pointing to north. Since we're aiming for a 70-degree heading, turn the yellow heading bezel until the 70-degree mark lines up with the yellow direction arrow. Now, it's time to put the red in the shed. This means you need to turn both the black base and the yellow bezel together until the red side of the needle fits perfectly inside the red part of the bezel. Just like this. Finally, turn your body so that you're facing the same direction as the direction of travel arrow. Walk in that direction, and there you go. You're moving at a 70-degree heading.
Nice work, Junior Engineer. Try this experiment out with different heading values, and maybe you can even make some connections between the heading bezel and the coordinate bezel. For even more fun and creative ways to use your compass, check out the last page of the instruction booklet. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time. Bye.